A point and shoot camera is really handy bit of kit if you don't want to carry anything heavy or fuss about the complicated settings. They can fit in your pocket so you can take them everywhere with you, and lots of them come with a built-in flash for when it's dark. You will instantly notice the upgrade in image quality compared to shooting on a smartphone, but you won't need to spend any additional money on lenses. With so many point and shoot cameras on the market, choosing the best camera to buy can be challenging. It's a good idea to think about how advanced you need it to be, what features you can live without, and how much you are willing to spend. In this video, I will be showing you 5 amazing point and shoot cameras that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end, and do let me know in the comment section which point and shoot camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new camera, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Panasonic Lumix ZS200, best overall 1-inch sensor point and shoot. There is a plenty to admire about the Panasonic Lumix TZ200 or TS200. Even aside from the headline grabbers of 1-inch sensor size and a 15x optical zoom reach from a travel zoom camera that will slip unobtrusively into your jacket pocket or rucksack pouch when on the go. The construction is solid with the aluminum build and ergonomically laid out, and it is also offering a good blend of hands-on control yet point and shoot accessibility, with the option to fish around in its pool of creative filter effects if you tire of its automatic results. Buy this amazing camera for its 5-axis image stabilization support, and you will get 4K video clips up to 30 fps capture speed, and there is a larger than average 1-inch sensor size which boosts image quality. Links are provided in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Canon PowerShot SX740HS, best far-reaching photography with up to 960mm focal length. If you're after a camera with incredible zoom capabilities, looking no further than the Canon PowerShot SX740HS with a focal range equivalent to 24-960mm. It has a 20.3 MP with 1x2.3-inch sensor and an LCD screen that can be flipped to face the front, making it perfect for selfies. For anyone looking to shoot video too, it can film in 4K and has a max continuous burst shooting mode of 10 fps. Canon PowerShot SX740HS can be found slightly cheaper, which is SX730, which is slightly cheaper if you don't need a 4K video and still has a full HD recording. The image quality and autofocus performance on this camera is pretty good, and overall it's an excellent camera for the price. Buy this amazing camera for its excellent zoom for such a small body, good operational response, and 4K video taking capability is amazing. Many of the vloggers or many of the people who are working on in YouTube buy this camera because it is affordable and takes best picture. Panasonic's Lumix ZS70 or TZ90, best budget option. If you're not worried about age, the 6-year-old Panasonic Lumix ZS70 or TZ90 is still one of the best, most affordable compact cameras you can buy. It has an enormous 30x zoom equivalent to 24-720mm. Even when fully zoomed in, the picture quality is not bad, and the built-in image stabilization helps with the camera shake. If you are a keen traveler, the combination of massive zoom, petite body, and Wi-Fi capabilities will make this camera your perfect companion. Buy this amazing camera for its effective image stabilization system. Selfie functionality works very well. The disappointments here are viewfinder is very small and soft results at a wide angle setting. Olympus Tough TG6 impress you underwater camera for both speed and quality of photos. If you want a camera that does what it says on the tin, the Olympus Tough TG6 is amazing and is exactly what you need. It might have a smaller 1 by 2.3 inch sensor, but all things considered, it produces good quality images in as seen in almost all the reviews on internet or YouTube. It has a 2500 mm with an aperture of f/2 at the wide angle end and f4.9 when it's at its maximum zoom. It includes lots of interesting features that really come to life when shooting in clear water, such as macro and microscope modes, which allow you to get up close and personal. The ability to capture raw stills and shoot up to 20 fps also make this camera very good choice. The best thing of all is that it can really take a bashing, making it perfect for families with little ones. It's a superb travel camera that benefits from excellent waterproofing, perfect for more adventurous type. Buy this amazing camera for its super fast burst and tough and waterproof. Ricoh WG6, best overall waterproof camera for the price and performance. Ricoh WG6 is an impressive setup from its predecessor WG60. It comes equipped with a 20MP sensor, 4K video at 30fps and max ISO of 6400 thanks to a built-in multi-application ring light fitted to the front of the camera. Not only is this camera waterproof to 20 meter, it's shockproof too, which means it can handle a bit of rough and tumble, making it one of the best cameras for kids too. It comes in either a bright orange or pictured or a more traditional black, depending on its orange, as it's very hard to miss. It benefits from a zoom lens with a focal range of 28-140mm, which is better than any other waterproof camera, making it ideal for you to use as a normal camera too, to capture your travel photos or outdoor adventures. Buy this amazing camera for its 5x optical zoom, waterproof to 20 meter and 4K video taking capability. So these are the 5 amazing point and shoot cameras that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.